Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to be doing an easy cornbread pudding. So what you're going to need for this is some cooking spray, 2 8.5 ounce boxes of Jiffy Corn Muffin mix, 2 15 ounce cream style sweet corn, so creamed corn, a cup of milk, and 2 eggs. So let's get this going and see how it all turns out, and enjoy it after we get done. So as you can see, it's only 4 ingredients and pretty quick to make, and about 25-30 minutes cook time in a 400-degree oven. So let's get going and give it a taste and see how it all turns out. So I'll see you in a few minutes to start mixing this stuff up. Okay guys, first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to spray with the cooking spray here. Spray the, this is a 9x13, here's a 9x11. It worked good. Well, it's my 9x11 been used by something else right now. We're going to use the 9x13, which still should be good. So we got that sprayed. We're going to just set that off to the side for a little bit. Next thing we're going to do is mix up the rest of our ingredients. So we'll put in our Jiffy thing, our Jiffy mix, and our creamed corn mix, or yeah, Jiffy and the creamed corn in there. Okay, and we'll put in our milk, and we'll put our 2 eggs. Alright, so now we'll get this mixed up real good. Alright, now that that's mixed up good, we'll just pour this in. And I got the oven preheated to 400 degrees. And we'll just pour that in here. And we'll put our, and this makes a nice little side for holiday meal. And so we'll get it all in here. Okay, so yeah, there you go. So there we go. Now I'm going to put this in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes on 400 degrees. So, and then we'll see how it all turns out. We want to wait for the top to be a golden brown, and you insert the knife, and when the knife comes out clean, it is done. So, alright, well, we'll see you here in a few minutes. Okay guys, this is the easy cornbread pudding. I've let it cool a little bit. So, and it took about 40 minutes. 35 of us took it in there, and the knife came out dirty, so I put it in a few more minutes until I could stick a knife in. So it was about 40 minutes. So, of course, altitude does affect that a little bit too, but alright, well, let's go ahead and give this a try here. I'm just going to eat it right out of the thing here. I'll get a little cut here. Nice golden brown on top. So, okay. Oop. Well, yep. Yep, it fell apart, so. Yeah. Alright, well, we'll just take a little bit on the fork here and give it a try. It's got a nice, sweet taste to it, and the still a little warm, not too bad. So nice, moist. So really love the flavor of this. And the only sugar that's in this is what was in the Jiffy Corn mix, corn muffin mix, and the if there was any in the cream corn, cans of cream corn. And then of course, you know, sweet corn has a nice sweet taste too. So gosh, this tastes really good. So this was something that this was an easy cornbread pudding recipe. So leave a comment down below, let me know what you think, and I'll probably be making some more different ways of this at some point. So okay guys, well, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so you can catch other cooking videos like this. I try to get one out on Saturday, and I also do some taste test and sightseeing and adventure videos as well. And those don't have any specific days that I try to get them out, just whenever I get a chance to do one. And well guys, I will see you guys on the next video. And I want you guys to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. I'm going to finish up this